Welcome, this is Mr. Greg. As you can see from the example video of the project that I made with Joe Mauer, you're going to do a picture project, and I'm going to show you an example of how to build one, step-by-step process. This will be one slide, okay, one slide with animation. The main thing is keeping it organized with your pictures. You're going to have to do 15 pictures. And keeping track of your animation. There's a pattern we'll talk about. So this will probably end up being a couple of videos long. I'll show you how to do 3 to 4 different pictures. We'll see with length. But let's get started. So you have your slide. It doesn't matter what kind of slide you have. Just click on this top box right here, delete it, and type in here Kirby Puckett or whatever your title of your project's going to be. This is who I'm doing mine on. It's Kirby Puckett. Click on the name, bold it. I'm just going to make it bigger. Size 54 works. I'm going to put it at the top. Okay. I'm going to leave that there. Next, I'm going to go minimize this, and I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to search Kirby Puckett. I want images, so I go to the images here. And, this is my favorite picture of Kirby here. Just hit the big home run in game 6. Copy image. Go back to here. I'm going to paste it. Doesn't matter where you paste it. It's going to put it in there larger than probably what I want. So I'm going to size it down to about yay big. I'm just going to start over here with my pictures. Okay. So now I have I'm going to close the design idea. I have my first picture in there. Close. Okay. First picture here. So now, as you can see in the example, a picture comes in, does an animation, holds for about a second, then goes out. When it comes in, that's called an entrance. When it goes out, that's an exit. So to get things to animate, we got to go up to animations. Click on the animations tab here. Okay. All right. And then we want to go to the animation pane right here. So I click on that. Over here is my animation pane. This is going to show me a list of my animations. It's going to have the order of the animations and which picture they're tied to. In order to animate something, and you need this up, this helps. Okay. I click on this, click on the picture. If the picture is highlighted or has the suction cups, that means it's ready to animate. So I go up to animation, add animation right here, and we want to do an entrance. And entrances are in green. Okay, these are entrances. There's more entrance effects here if you click on that. Exit effects are in red. You scroll down, there's more exit effects here. So I'm going to have this fade in. Okay, now it just did it real quick. You do need to do some editing with your animations. And to do that, click on the picture. Okay, obviously this entrance the computer is naming this picture 3. So I clicked on the drop down menu arrow, and the first animation of the number one animation of the entire project has to start on click. What that means is you click your mouse button and it'll start the whole thing. All right, as you can see from the previous example, you hit the keyboard button once and then it just goes after each other. So the first one's on click, then you got to go to timing. In here, you can say start on click, and that's what we want for this one. And then the delay is how much in between the picture and coming in and the next action, animation, or delay. So we want about 1 second to 1.5 seconds. Duration, how long it's going to run. I like to go slow. Then you hit OK. So now, all of a sudden, my picture comes in a lot slower. Hopefully you saw that. And you can do it from right here, timing or effect options. But the one you're going to focus on is effects. So I have that in there now. I'm going to click on it again, and I'm going to add animation again. I'm going to add my exit. So I go up to add animation, scroll down here on the side to find an exit. I'm just going to pick one. Wheel. It's a little quick. So notice picture 3 here has an entrance and an exit. A green, then a red. In that order, it's going to go green, red throughout your project. We do need to change this right here. Pay attention to this. The first one can have the mouse icon, the